Yeah.
Think mine's
Wow,
going.
really?
Yours is going. It's mine?
I don't know. Yeah, I feel like.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go!
What in the world? I didn't even know what this looked like. Dang!
I'm leaving you.
Okay. Josh is coming. Did I get you again? Yeah. Oh, hello. Oh, I didn't see that.
Where's everybody?
Sam's right inside the middle. Josh is
Oh, he is?
left. Oh, he's back. Oh, he got shot underneath.
Trevor!
Over the corner, over the corner. Did I get you, Josh?
No, don't count it. Oh, gosh. Never mind. You guys little cowards.
Ah!
Did you?
No.
Pin! We got pinned. We got pinned.
I
just heard a bunch of boxes.
There's no ammo over here.
Rick. No. I am Trevor. Rick killed me.
9, 8, 7,
It didn't submit. Mine didn't submit.
5, 4,
That thing's a little hard to use.
2, 1. Go! Got me.
Yeah!
Nice.
Come here.
Well done, whoever did it.
Yeah.
9, 8. Hey,
We count.
Hold on.
Hold on. We can't use this damn mouse.
It's way too fast, huh?
Whose mouse is that?
Kyle's.
Oh my gosh.
It must be like Superman or something.
Sensitive.
I'm gonna change it.
If you do that, that would be awesome.
Okay, now start counting.
Hey, that's not where Jordan started. In our, I ran all the way back to my spawn. Hurry, Trevor. Where's Tom? Trevor. Sam got me. Sam's on the middle. Ah, dang. What? I didn't realize there was an alcove over there.
Woo! There's Josh. Hey, come into the conference room. We got it. We're good. Josh, do you even have ammo?
I don't know.
Hey, come into the conference room. Okay, we got Josh. Watch out for Josh right there. Josh is behind that thing right there, and Rick's right out the door. Whoa! Nick, you're on my team, buddy.
I don't know who you were.
Make sure you shoot when everyone sees.
Nice. It worked. Thanks for being there for me, Jordan.
Yeah.
Ooh, Rick, I didn't see you move in. Jake knocked down this thing. Are you dead, Jake? Yeah. Dang it.
Ah, Trevor, second time.
Wow.
Okay, good. There's nobody there. There's nobody. Go. Gotcha, Rick. Hey, boom. Josh is in there. Never mind.
Jake, what are you
Got both of
fighting
you.
for?
That was a.
I was jammed. I was trying to fix it.
Before you jumped out, I got Jake and Josh.
I got you though.
Hey.
Before you jumped out, I got Jake and Josh, and it was a pin.
What time left?
I don't know.
It's on that other computer.
Should be about time.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Josh is right there. Like it should.
No, now it is. Now it's a pin.
Now it's a pin.
Was that you, Josh? Yeah.
Wait, did I hit you on this side over here?
You hit me, I was running
Totally
away.
blind.
That was pretty
5, 4. Whoa, hey. Let us record.
6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1, go! Let's go.
timer, timer.
Yeah.
Hey.
Okay, turn off.
They don't have to. I'm not gonna merge them.